What's up mga ka-YouTube? For today's video, I'm gonna be showing paano papalitan yung bladder dito, bladder tank na to, pressure tank. So, dumating na yung in-order ko na bladder, okay, from Lazada. Ito po yung in-order ko na bladder from Lazada. This pressure tank is 50 liters. Ang brand po nito ay Benelli. I think Italian brand. And this is 50 liters. So yung binili ko from Lazada is also 50 liters na bladder. So basically, inside this tank is parang merong interior. Ito yun. Alright? So, ang magiging problema, kaya mo papalitan is when napunit na yung interior or yung goma sa loob. Ang mangyayari niyan, mawawalan ka na ng pressure. Not necessarily mawawalan. Sa case ko, may delay. Okay? So, ano yung mga indications na butas na yung, or punit, or butas na yung interior or yung bladder sa loob ng pressure tank mo. Alright, so first is pressure mo is hindi na siya constant. Meaning, dapat kasi when you open the yung gripo mo, but automatically may tubig. In our case, ang nangyayari, initially, karoon ng delay. After you wait like 30 seconds, meron na ulit. Hanggang habang tumatagal, tumataas na yung delay. Naging 1 minute na hanggang sa ngayon, 2 minutes na yung delay. So, dun mo malalaman na something's wrong with the pressure tank. Alright? So, next indication, paano mo malalaman na punit na rin is yung second troubleshooting step is yung eto. Okay? Pag yan, ginaganyan mo, hindi mo na nafe-feel yung air. So, pakinggan mo mabuti. Alam mo, puno na siya ng water. Supposedly, dapat air, not water yung marinig mo. So, in this case, punong-puno ng water. Okay? That's second troubleshooting steps. Paano malalaman? Third and last is pag eto. Okay? Eto. I'm not sure kung nakikita niyo yan, but it's just like any interior, di ba? Meron siyang like any gulong, alright? Like bisikleta. Meron siyang ganito. May pito, tinatawag sa Tagalog. Meron din siya. So, tanggalin niyo lang to. Ito yung cover niya. Okay, tanggalin niyo lang yan. Twist niyo lang yung cap. And then, pag eto, pipindutin nyo, instead na air yung lalabas is tubig. Napunit na siya, in a sense, yung interior. Kasi naghalo na yung tubig ang hangin. Dapat hangin lang dapat ang lalabas. Okay? Kasi yung water is inside the bladder. So, hindi dapat mag-mix. But if napunit na, mag-mix na siya. So, if I press this, kita nyo? Ayan. Tubig na lang lumalabas. Instead na pag-press ko, parang bicycle tire, dapat air. Psst, ganun. In this case, no. It's water. Okay? So, alam mo, punit na. Kasi naghalo na. Alright? So, again, I'm glad dumating na yung inaantay ko na part needed to replace or to fix this one, which is a bladder replacement. Okay, so we'll start with the troubleshooting. Una is I'm gonna drain muna all the water, so I'll release all the pressure and release all the water in here. Pag wala ng pressure, tsaka ko nang bubuksan tong ito. So ito yung nagko-connect from the motor to the pressure tank. So once ma-open ko na to, I also have to remove this I think 6 screws. So again, first is to release the pressure remove and also remove the water. Pag wala nang tumutulo or konti na lang tumutulo, tsaka natin tatanggalin tong itong connector na to, and then tsaka natin papalitan yung bladder. Alright? So I'll be showing you that next. Okay guys, so tinatanggal na natin itong naluwagan ko na to. Okay, so kahit na na-relieve ko na yung pressure, meron pa rin madaming tubig inside. Pinatulo ko na yung dito kanina wala nang tumulo, but as soon as I open this, ang dami pang laman sa loob. So that just means punit na nga talaga siya. Kasi supposedly, pag wala ng water dito, wala na rin dapat sa loob. But madami pa. So that just means nag-mix na yung water and air. As supposedly, hindi naman. Dapat ang laman dito is air lang, and then yung bladder or yung interior na goma is andun yung water. Pero anyway, so pause ko lang muna itong video hanggang maubos yung water, ma-drain yung water inside, and then after neto, pag wala ng water, I'm gonna use a ratchet. Ang number po na itong brand na to sa Benelli uses 14 and 14, number 14. So again, so I think some brands uses 13, ito 14. So make sure na close wrench yung gagamitin nyo, wag yung open kasi masisira yung head o yung ano niya, yung hex niya. So again, dapat close. In this case, ratchet yung ginagamit ko para tanggalin ko. Alright, so I'll pause the video. Okay guys, so natanggal po natin yung cover, and ito na yan siya. Dami pang tubig. Dapat po kasi yung tubig andito lang sa loob ng interior, yung bladder. Wala na dapat dito sa likod. Kasi dito po sa likod, along with the tank, is the air. So water inside the bladder, air outside the bladder. So dapat po ganun, but look. My goodness. Grabing daming water outside. So that means punit na po ito kasi lumabas na sa along the casing yung ano. Okay, so tanggalin na lang natin. Let's see what it looks like. Pause ko lang po. Guys, I just discovered, additionally, you have to remove this one pala, yung pito, kasi hindi mo matatanggal yung bladder pag hindi mo to matatanggal, kasi meron siyang merong part na bladder or yung interior na naka-hook up sa loob na to. Alright, so push mo lang to. Okay, and then pwede mo na to. Pwede mo to. Ayan. So this is what I meant. Okay, ito po yung ibig sabihin. So meron din ganito yung bago. Okay, may ganito din siya, and parang naka-clip siya sa loob para hindi siguro move yung bladder. Anyway, papakita ko po sa inyo yung comparison ng isa side by side ko yung luma and also the new one. Okay, so ito po yung side by side comparison. Ito yung luma na may punit na, and this is the new one. Right, so kung titingnan nyo, same size lang naman siya. Actually, medyo a little bit smaller this one kasi siguro ito matagal na, so nag-expand na siya. So okay, so ito po yung new one, and we'll put it inside. Siyempre, kakabit na natin itong pito sa kanya. Right? Okay. Oh, by the way, before nyo ilagay dito sa loob yung bagong bladder, make sure na there's no more water inside. Right now there's still lots of water. Okay, so you have to really empty this one, empty, and then also clean and dry, kasi dapat para hindi kalawangin yung sa loob. So, I'm gonna clean this muna. Dami pa, punong-puno. So, I'll clean this one and make sure there's no more water. And then, tsaka natin ilalagay yung new bladder inside. Okay. Alright. So, guys, grabing dumi. Ang dami pang laman. And, sobrang dumi no ano. Anyway, na-empty ko na. And then, nalagay ko na ito na yung bagong interior or bladder. And then, kinabit ko na rin yun sa likod na pito. Okay, so, yan na. Cover ko na to. And then, kakabit ko na yung itong hose. 1-inch hose dito. And then, we'll see. And test. Okay? Oh, by the way, baka makalimutan nyo, do not forget to inflate this with the pre-charged PSI. Okay? So, bago nyo po i-start yung motor or start operating for the pressure, put air. Okay? Kasi zero pressure or zero yung PSI na ito. So, since bagong palit, wala siyang hangin, you have to put pre-charge. And the pre-charge for this model, this Benelli model, is 22. I checked the manual, 22 PSI. So, again guys, gamit lang ngayon is itong for bike. But this would work. Lagyan natin ng pre-charge na 22 PSI as per the manual. Okay? So, and then, saka natin i-operate. Okay. Kabit ko na po lahat. And nakargahan na rin siya ng water. Meron ng build-up pressure. So, that's it. Dito nagtatapos ang ating video. If you like this video and wanted to see more of these, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Pahabol lang pala guys. Ito yung before the bladder replacement. Papakita ko naman next yung after the bladder replacement.
Walang tulo. Pero, kung mag-aantay ka ng 1 or 2 minutes, tsaka na lang siya tutulo.
And this is, by the way, the after the bladder replacement. As you can see, tulo ka agad as soon as you open the faucet.